Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how you can customize your lace closure, as you guys can see on the screen. So if you want to see how I did that, then please keep on watching. So today's hair that I'm using is from Azebo Hair from Amazon, guys. You can find this on Amazon if you're looking to get it. I will leave the link in the description box. But as any other wig, it comes with a wig cap, some lashes, some wig care instructions, all that good stuff. And as you guys can see, I'm just unpacking it right now. This wig is a 4x4 lace closure. It's human hair, of course. You can wear it glueless, and it's also 22 inches long. If you're looking for a really good, affordable Amazon wig, then this is the one you have to get. It's really good. The hair feels very, very soft. I believe it's Brazilian. So as you guys can see, this is the closure that we're going to customize. It's 4x4, guys, so it's not too much work at all. And as you guys can see, it looks very white, so you want to make sure that it looks natural and it looks like scalp. So that's what we're going to do. So now I'm using my bleach and my PROXIDE. I'm going to mix them together. I also got these on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description so you guys can get yourself some. But yeah, I'm using a 30% PROXIDE and I'm going to mix it. You don't want it to be too watery or too thick. You just want it to be somewhere in the middle. Right now it's looking a bit watery, so I'm going to add more bleach to make it a little more thick. So when you're happy with your bleach, you want to grab your wig and make sure you take all the baby hairs out of the way so that it doesn't bleach as well. So you just want to make sure everything's out of the way. You can put the wig inside out, whatever feels comfortable for you, just like I'm doing, and then just apply it. And of course, use gloves if you have some, but if not, just be very careful like I'm doing. And you want to make sure that you work really quick so that the wig can bleach all together. You also want to make sure that you're very gentle. Make sure you don't press in too hard, otherwise the bleach is going to go through the lace and it's going to bleach your wig. So be very light-handed and yeah, just take it easy. So when you're done, just like I'm doing, you can put the wig in a tin foil and just close it up so that the bleach can take quicker. And make sure you don't press it. I know it looks like I'm pressing it, but I'm not. Make sure you don't press it, otherwise it's going to run through the wig. And you want to leave that on for about 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, it's time to wash your wig, guys. And as you can all see, it has taken nicely. The knots are nicely bleached, which is what we want. So now just rinse your wig off, wash it, and all that good stuff. To wash my wig, I'm gonna use my G-Fox hair care shampoo and conditioner. I have a whole video on this, guys, on how I revive my wigs with it, how I wash my wigs with it. So if you're interested, you can check it out in my videos. It's right on my channel. One thing I have to say, guys, when I was washing this wig, it felt amazing. It felt so soft. So this wig is very good quality, and there was absolutely no shedding. As you guys can see, like, you can clearly see there's no shedding coming out of this wig. So for the price, it's really good, and on Amazon it's even better. So after washing my wig, guys, you guys can see it looks a little bit yellow. So I'm gonna use my silver shampoo just like that, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna apply that on my wig, leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then come back and rinse it off. So I got this silver shampoo at my store, I think Boots. So you can really get it anywhere around your store, your local store. Yeah, just look for it and you'll find it. For those of you who don't know what it is, this silver shampoo is literally gonna remove that yellow tone out of the wig, and it's just gonna look more natural and more neutral, because that's what we're going for. We want it to look natural, not like really yellow, you know?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart.
So after washing the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and dry it, as you guys can see, and also blow dry it. You can leave it to air dry if you want, but I had to use this wig the same day, so that is why I'm doing that.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you...
And now, as you guys can see, it looks so much more natural. It doesn't look white anymore. That was the goal, and yeah, it just looks more like scalp, guys, and that was the goal. But I know the back is a little bit bleached, but we're gonna fix that very soon, so guys, please keep on watching. So now I'm just gonna use my tweezers and just tweeze the hairline so that it just looks way more natural than it is. I don't think this wig came pre-plucked, I'm not sure, but if it did, I'm still gonna do some work into it to make it look really natural.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a...
So as you guys can see, one side is nicely plucked and the other side hasn't been touched just yet. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a big difference. It looks more natural. There's no like straight lines compared to the other side. It just looks way better. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box, and if you feel like you still need more work, certainly go ahead and pluck it more, but then you don't want to over pluck it, otherwise it's gonna start shedding, and you know, it's just gonna start looking bald and stuff like that. So just take your time with it, but don't overdo it.
See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my...
So because I'm doing the middle part, I decided to pluck the middle part that I just did, so that the part looks more natural and it just sits really flat and it just looks like it's grown out of my client's hair.
You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins.
So I told you guys I was gonna show you how to fix the bleached part. As you guys can see, the back is like really orange. So using my mascara, I'm just gonna go over the wig and cover that part up. No one is gonna know you did this, by the way, guys. And if you feel like your wig is over bleached, or you know, if you want to make your parting smaller, doing this really helps. So all I'm doing is using an old mascara. You don't want to use those really wet new ones, otherwise you're just gonna ruin your lace. Use an old mascara and just, you know, rub it on the hair, and that's just gonna allow the hair to look more natural. You're not gonna see any bleached parts. And use my hot comb, I'm just making that really nice and flat, and yeah.
Black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
So this part is completely optional. You can also do this after you install the wig, so you can really see what you're doing more. But my parting was a little wide, so I decided to add some foundation to make it a little smaller. And using an old eyeliner, I'm going to cover the sides of the wig. This is really hard to explain, guys, but just watch, and hopefully by watching you can really understand what I'm trying to tell y'all. And if you feel like you ruined the wig, these little tricks can help you revive your wig, bring it back to life, and your lace will be saved. So if you feel like you ruined it, don't lose hope. Try these little things and it's gonna help you.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever...
Now onto the baby hair, guys. This wig is not complete without some baby hairs, so just make sure you play around with it, add some cute edges, and you're pretty much done, guys.
Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay.
To lay these edges, I'm using my red one hair wax, which I use on my natural hair. It's really good. It keeps your edges in place all day long. You don't need to set it if you don't have time for it. It's still gonna stay on all day long. All the products I use will be in the description box, so if you're interested, you can definitely have a look on there.
You don't ever want to set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
So guys, that is pretty much how you customize your lace closure, or you can do this on any other lace front wigs, guys. Just make it look natural by following these steps. And I really hope today's video was helpful, especially to those who have no idea how to customize their wigs. I really hope today's video helped you and you got to learn some tricks and tips. And please, guys, if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video, make sure you share it. It means a lot. And if you're new on this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
you.